How many of you really consider yourself a value investor or more predisposed into value investing? How many of you sort of know for sure you're going to be in kind of asset management business? So roughly the same number of people who really want to be in asset management business who sort of already consider yourself as a value investor. So who can really tell me what are the one or two things that really sort of defines a value investor from everybody else? Anybody? Yes, Chase.
One of the things that I think about is that usually their performance depends on the underlying performance of the business,
right,
rather than, for instance, multiple expansion, trading in going out of the stock based on sentiment. So for that reason, they have to have a longer term time horizon.
So in other words, you think that you sort of feel yourself as more of an owner of a business in a sense, and therefore your fortune rises up and down with the nature of the business and how it. Things to add, please. Yeah, you sort of you demand a margin of safety in a sense. Anybody else?
You're not buying quarter to quarter. You have a more long-term view.
Right. 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 Well, that's pretty summarized. That there are basically three attitudes straight out of the teachings of Ben Graham. That A, you think yourself as basically not a paper shuffler in the sense you really think yourself as owner of the business, and B, you sort of you demand a huge margin of safety when approaching investment, and C, that somehow you sort of think everybody else is different. So this is where the Mr. Market analogy come in. These are three things actually kind of they all come into really coming from one perception, which is is you think yourself as an owner of business rather than kind of owner of a piece of a paper.